Hey, how are you doing? So today I've got a fun recipe for you. It's actually vegan, even though I'm not vegan, but I've got heaps of vegan relatives anyway. It's using this Woolworths Plantitude frozen dessert. Anyway, the base is coconut, so it's not soy or anything like that, which I know bothers some people. My favorite flavor out of the three is chocolate, because chocolate and coconut is amazing together. And I'm going to show you a really interesting dessert idea with it. Anyway, I hope you like this dessert as much as I do. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye! Start off by beating the butter together with the flour, baking powder and almond milk. Place the batter into a piping bag and pipe into 10 cm or 4-inch lengths. Sprinkle with sugar and then bake. Line a 20 cm springform tin with cling film and then add a layer of the Plantitude dairy-free cookies and cream frozen dessert. Dip the sponge fingers in the dessert wine and the tea, making sure to dip them very well so that they're quite soft because they're not as hollow and dry as regular sponge fingers. And then add another layer of the Plantitude chocolate frozen dessert. Repeat with the sponge fingers and then end off with a layer of the Plantitude cookies and cream or the vanilla frozen dessert. Freeze for 3 hours and then take it out half an hour before you want to serve it. Add half a cup of water to 500 grams of strawberries and heat for 5 minutes. Add sugar, vanilla, as well as a cornstarch slurry, which will thicken the liquid. Heat for another couple of minutes just till it's thick. Pour the strawberries just over the ice cream cake just before serving.